Cow says moo, moo, moo. Big and gentle just for you. Pig says oink, oink, oink. Rolling in the mud so pink. Chicken says cluck, cluck, cluck. Looking for food with lots of luck. Giant horse. Horse says neigh, neigh, neigh. Running fast across the hay. Sheep says ba, ba, ba. Soft and fluffy, here they are. Duck says quack, quack, quack. Splashing down the little track. Night goat. Goat says ma, ma, ma. Jumping high, ha, ha, ha. Sharp farm dog. Dog says woof, woof, woof. Guarding every rooftop. May farm cat. Cat says meow, meow, meow. Chasing little mice just now. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Good morning, me and you. Great job, friends, hip hooray. Learning animals every day. Wave goodbye and come again. See you soon, my little friend.